what's up again, folks? I'm Trenius, and you're tuned into the infamous Living Realm Network. Divine powers are always working for us because we're trying to do right. If you want to use the law of attraction, if you want to attract anything to you, you must be focused. I'm going to say this again. If you want to use the law of attraction, if you want to attract anything to you, want to manifest anything to you, you must be focused. One of the biggest mistakes that a lot of people that's trying to use the law of attraction make is getting off focus. You know, for one moment they can be on focus, and then the next moment they just start living their life again, and they start doing all the kind of different other stuff and stuff like that, and then they want to come back like 2 weeks after and say, why my manifestation ain't here yet? It don't work like that, folks. You gotta maintain focus. Now, a lot of you probably say, well, Trenius, how can I maintain like a heavy, steady focus, but at the same time be non-resistant? Easy. I do it all the time. You know, I do a lot of stuff outside of just, teaching and making videos and doing consultations and stuff, folks. But at the same time, like in the back of my mind, I'm always thinking about making myself better, other people's lives better, in the world a better place. I'm always thinking about the things I'm doing right now. And so you can do the same thing too. Like, for instance, if there's something that you want to manifest in your life, something that you want to attract like really, really bad, you want to have the focus for it, you got the focus for it and whatnot, you can still live your life. That's how you do it. Still live your life, because we're trying to create a sense of non-resistance. Live your life. But in the back of your mind, don't forget what you gotta get done. This is another form of responsibility, folks. This is all it really is at the end of the day. It's like taking responsibility to do the things that you know that you need to do. You know what I'm saying? And all of us have this instilled in us. It's just, I know sometimes we have like really, really influential friends around us that can take us off focus. Sometimes we have jobs that really require our attention, and we have to get the jobs like our 100% focus because our boss be riding our back or something like that. I understand that. That's perfectly understandable. But at the same time, folks, what you have as a personality, like as a person, like in your own individual world, the thing that you want to attract like right now behind the scenes is way more important than anything on the outside of you, because it starts with yourself first. It starts with making yourself better so that you make other people's lives better and the world a better place. So make sure whatever it is that you want to attract, have that non-resistance and that certainty that you will attract it. Have that maximum grand scheme focus, where you just, you're focused on it. You just know you want it. You gotta have it. You wake up in the morning thinking about it. You eat it, you breathe it, you sleep it. You're always just thinking about what this thing is. Like, and oh man, you got to have it. Like, it just resonates with you. It just makes you do like that. It just makes you go back and forth like that. You gonna get it. Like, I gotta have it. I need it in my life. You know what I'm saying? But at the same time, folks, live your life. Don't let this stuff drive you crazy. You know what I'm saying? Somebody hit me with a comment the other day. It was like, well, Trenius, all this spiritual stuff, I'm not like this on a regular. I'm like, listen, none of us are spiritual on a regular. None of us live this perfect lifestyle that you think that spirituality has to be. Spirituality is not being perfect. It's about, having an everyday forward progress on making yourself better than you was yesterday. That's all it is. You're never gonna ever be perfect. You're always gonna mess up. You're always gonna fail. There's always gonna be moments where you feel like nobody wanna help you. There's always gonna be moments where you're down and out. You don't have nobody to lean on, nobody to help you. There's always moments where you don't know what to do next. There's always times where you don't have nothing to do. You just don't even know how to go about living your life right now. It just don't make any sense right now. People are just really getting on your nerves right now. You're so mad, you're so frustrated with such and such and so-called whoever the person is and all that. There's always moments that we all have like that. You're not the only one. We all have those moments. But at the same time, we always have great days where we're just smiling and showing all 33 teeth. We just smiling and showing all our teeth. You know what I'm saying? Nobody could ever guess that we live in this horrible lifestyle. It's a balance of everything. It's having that equilibrium. It's having that best of both worlds in all that you do, folks. Life is not a horrible place. But we do have horrible moments, and we do have very, very exciting moments. And these exciting moments, take over all the horrible moments that we have. You know what I'm saying? They always win, whether they like it or not. I think that most people in the world commit positive acts more than they commit negative acts. I mean, you might run into a gangster or a thug or a person who's really, really bad, like, somebody who's considered like an outcast or whatever the case may be, but folks, they're not bad people. That was just like one time that they did something bad, or like a few times they do something bad, but for the most part, they're always doing something positive. It's just that the world likes to point at your flaws. That's all the world loves to do. Point at your flaws. Tell you how bad you are. As soon as you make a mistake being a good person that you are, the world will come and point fingers at you and say you ain't no good. That's how the world is, folks. That's the cruel world that we live in. Now that's horrible. But we're gonna change that because we try to make ourselves better so we can make other people's lives better, and then what? Got it. The world a better place. I thank you so much for tuning in. Stay focused, folks. I'm Trenius, and this is another Infamous Living Room Network. If you want to do more self-help behind the scenes, I highly advise you to sign up for this program I got called Trenius Transcendence. Click that link at the bottom. Sign up for Trenius Transcendence. Get the program. If you want to order the program, we'll send you all of the stuff that comes with the program. You will be on your own journey, on your own way, by yourself, behind your own doors, okay? Thank you so much for tuning in, folks. I'll see you in the next 24 hours. Peace.